end of this video, you will know how to create a chatbot using Zapier. Start by signing in to your Zapier account. Once you are on the main dashboard, click Create, then choose Chatbot from the available options. Zapier will open the chatbot setup flow. Enter a name for your chatbot in the name field, then click Create to open the builder. You will land on the instructions page first. This is where the chatbot gets its starting message and core behavior. In the greeting area, type the message you want people to see when they begin a conversation. This can be a short welcome message, a quick introduction, or a prompt that tells users what the chatbot can help with. Keep the wording aligned with the kind of interaction you want to create. Next, move to the Directives section on the same page. Here, define the chatbot's purpose, how it should behave, the style it should use in replies, and any rules it needs to follow. This is the part that shapes how the chatbot responds. You can describe the role it should play, the kind of answers it should give, and any limits or requirements you want it to respect. Make sure the instructions are specific enough to guide responses clearly. After updating both the greeting and the directive, click Save Changes. This applies the updates you made on the instructions page and keeps them in place before you move on. Now open the Knowledge section from the left sidebar. This is where you give the chatbot material it can refer to when answering users. You can upload files directly or connect the knowledge source depending on what information you want the chatbot to use. If you are connecting a source, make sure it is the correct one before continuing so the chatbot references the intended content. With the knowledge source in place, continue through the other configuration areas. Open logic to adjust how the chatbot should handle behavior flow. Use theme to control how it appears. Check integrations if you want it connected with other tools or services in Zapier. Review the AI model section to choose the model that will support the chatbot's responses. Then look through settings for any final account or chatbot preferences that apply to your setup. These sections let you shape both the appearance and the response behavior without changing the core instructions you already saved. When the setup looks right, use the preview panel on the right side of the screen to test the chatbot. Enter a few sample questions and review the replies. This helps confirm that the greeting appears correctly, the instructions are being followed, and the knowledge source is being used in a way that matches your goal. Once you are satisfied with the responses, click Share in the upper right corner. This makes the chatbot available for others to access based on the sharing options Zapier provides. Your Zapier chatbot is now created, configured, tested, and shared.